Hey guys, Jessica here with Team Macias of eXp Realty. Wanted to introduce you to our newest listing, 7824 Civita Boulevard, here in the stunning community of Origen at Civita. The inside of this home has so many amazing upgrades. Let's go in and take a look. In addition to this amazing home, you also have access to first-class amenities with the rec center and Civita community. Those include a lagoon-style pool, a state-of-the-art gym, barbecue area, conference space, and so much more. For more information and to schedule a private showing, please reach out to me, Jessica, with Team Macias at 619-995-5792.